Before you start any maintenance, turn off the power to the aquarium. Remove the light and the auto feeder to get access into the pump chamber. Remove the lid. Take off the return nozzle and remove the pump from the aquarium. It drips water, so use a towel when removing the pump. Remove the hose from the pump and put the hose on the new pump. To access the impeller, unscrew the screen on the back of the pump and the cover, and then you can remove the impeller. To reinsert the impeller can be tricky. More details on our support page, but you must line up the groove with the nodule underneath the cable and get the impeller flush with the housing so the cover replaces neatly flush with the housing, and then re-screw the cover back onto the pump. Replace the pump back into the pump chamber, inserting it all the way, and push the 90-degree elbow through the hole in the aquarium. Replace the return nozzle. Pull the circulation pump cable out of the pump chamber and run it through to the cabinet. Connect the pump cable to the pump controller. Align the incoming male pump connector with the female cable connector from the pump controller. Push together and screw the cap. Apply power to the aquarium and check your modes. Ensure the pump controller is set to F100, 100% power on M2 pulsing mode. Adjust the pump return nozzle so that it is sitting horizontal. Caution: do not face the nozzle upwards, creating aggressive agitation, which may create noise and salt creep. It should gently ripple the surface. Thank you for watching.